Hi, I'll be doing a detailed review of Apollo SBI Card Select, a credit card that isn't just about shopping points or travel perks, but rather about your health and wellness. In a world where staying healthy has become more important than ever, this card is laser focused on delivering real value on healthcare spends. I'll talk about the features of this card, the pros, the cons, and whether it's a good fit in 2025. Now, what makes this card special? Well, it's a collaboration between SBI Card, one of India's largest credit card issuers, and Apollo Health Co., the healthcare giant behind Apollo Hospitals, Apollo 24/7, and one of the largest pharmacy chains in India. Together, they've created a product that gives maximum value on health-related transactions, whether it's buying medicines, booking doctor consultations, getting diagnostic tests, or even telehealth appointments. Think of this card not just as a financial tool, but as a health companion in your wallet. With up to 25% value back on health spent, wellness-based milestone rewards, and added lifestyle perks, the Apollo SBI Card Select is built for individuals and families who prioritize staying healthy and want to be rewarded for doing so. Now let us talk about the main features of this card. Health-centric reward system. One of the biggest highlights is its dual reward system on healthcare spends. First, you earn 10 reward points for every 100 rupees spent on the Apollo 24/7 app or Apollo pharmacies and clinics. These reward points are then redeemable as health credits, which you can use within the Apollo ecosystem for various services. On top of that, Apollo offers additional cashback as health credits. For example, you get up to 15% on medicine purchases, 10% on doctor consultations, and a generous 20% on diagnostic tests. Welcome benefits that sets the tone. Right at the start, the card rewards you with a 1,500 rupee Apollo e-gift voucher, which covers your joining fee instantly. Free Apollo Gold membership for 1 year, which brings additional perks like express consultations and priority access. Complimentary FitPass Pro membership, which unlocks access to gyms and fitness classes across the country. So even if you're not a frequent pharmacy customer, fitness lovers can benefit right out of the gates. Milestone-based rewards. This card actually encourages you to stay on track with your health goals. If you spend 3 lakhs in the previous membership year, you get an annual fee worth 1,499 rupees, which is the price of membership for the card, which means your next year's annual fee is waived off. When you spend 6 lakhs in a year, you get a Noise ColorFit smartwatch, which is worth 7,999,000 rupees. That's nearly 8,000 rupees. Fuel surcharge waiver. You get a 1% waiver on fuel surcharges for transactions between 500 rupees and 4,000 rupees at petrol pumps across India. There's a monthly cap of 100 rupees on this waiver, but hey, every bit counts when you're fueling regularly. Add-on benefits and card variants. This card is available on other platforms like RuPay and MasterCard platforms. You can also get add-on cards for your family members that are above 18 years, helping them access the same health and lifestyle privileges. Now let us talk about the pricing. The joining fee is 1,499 rupees plus GST, and the annual renewal fee is also 1,499 rupees. However, the annual fee can be waived off if you spent up to 3 lakhs or more in a card year. There are other fees that you might want to know about on the most important terms and conditions page. Head on to the website to find out lots more. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Apollo SBI Card Select. Excellent value back on medical and wellness spends. Health credits that are usable across the Apollo ecosystem. Rich welcome and milestone benefits. Lounge access and priority pass. Fuel surcharge waiver and the UPI compatibility with RuPay variants. How about the cons? The annual fee is high unless you miss the spending threshold, and rewards are heavily skewed toward Apollo network usage. It's not ideal for someone who rarely visits pharmacies or uses health services. So is this card really worth it? If you're someone who consistently spends on health, whether it's for medicines, diagnostics, fitness, or family care, The Apollo SBI Card Select offers unmatched value proposition in 2025. It not only rewards you for being health conscious, but also nudges you towards more proactive wellness habits. From annual health checkups to gym access, lounge visits, and health credits, it combines utility and comfort in one package. It might not be the best pick for those who rarely visit hospitals or pharmacies, but if you or your family regularly engage with the Apollo network or you spend meaningfully on healthcare, this card can save you thousands every year. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Doctor's SBI Card, SBI Simply Safe Credit Card, and Access Bank Neo Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.